yung bago kong nakuhang keyboard. Galing sa Shopee! Look at that! Mechanical keyboard! Yes! It's my first time to get a keyboard like that. So, check it out. Medyo hirap na hirap pa akong buksan to. Ayan. Walang silbi yung gunting. Kinamay ko na lang. Hindi ako marunong mag-open kung saan i-open siya. Ayan. The full set is all white. I like the white kasi pwede mo siyang i-combination sa iba-ibang kulay. I brought a different keycaps din pala for this. And since paborito ng anak ko yung red, I bought the red keycaps for the white keyboard. And then I will show you later kung ano yung outcome pag kinombination mo yung color ng red at saka white. So, here's the back. Yan. I'm so excited that time sa pag-open. So beautiful. Keyboard. Papakita ko pala sa next video kung ano yung output sounds niya pagka plinay na siya or ginamit na siya compare to other keyboard. So, check it out guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.